Hey, my name's Cody Hyman. I'm an RF applications engineer here at Sound Devices, and we're here at InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas. What we're showing here today at this trade show is our new Astral Mini Plus transmitter. So this is a micro version of our larger transmitter, and also a V2 from the Astral Mini transmitter that we had in the previous generation. Now, some really key features about this new transmitter is the fact that this thing can operate from 169 megahertz to 1525. So this is an ultra wideband mini transmitter. It's also IP67 rated, so it can be submerged fully in water. Now, one of the big upgrades that we have from the original Mini is the fact that there is now an e-paper display on this. So you can see the name, battery life, last known frequency, even when the batteries are out of this product. Now, one of the really cool things that is also a big upgrade from the prior version is it now runs off of two 14500 Sound Devices batteries. So this is a 3.7 volt lithium ion battery, and it goes in the bottom of the unit here, and you can just throw this cap on and that makes it waterproof. What's great about this is it's going to allow you to get up to 8 hours of battery life as compared to our earlier generation of the mini transmitter, which is really what we wanted to try to upgrade there. The other thing that's pretty unique about this is the fact that I have a user-defined button on the top here. So that button, much like our handheld or our TX pack, has a user-defined button. So now what I can do is assign this orange button to be power on off, aux route, RF mute, anything I really want that to be. And because of NextLink, I can actually change what that button is from show to show or day to day or whatever I need there. And so that's kind of the really big news coming from Sound Devices this week at InfoComm 2026.